Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create an infographic PowerPoint presentation just like a pro. Alright, so if you're here for the first time, I advise you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. You don't have to pay, it's just free. Just click on the subscribe button, that's all. Alright, and if you have already subscribed, please don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you very much. All right, so to create this infographic presentation, okay, what we need to do is we click on insert, then we select our text box, then you draw our text box out. Let's draw our text box. So we'll be writing a figure. We'll be writing number 1 to 6. It might be 1 to 4. So we'll be having a number 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, the next thing you do, you select on one number, then you right click on it, then you click on smart convert to smart art, then you click on more smart graphics, then you scroll down to get it, then you select this is the one we are going to use. You select it, then you click OK. Once you click OK, so the first thing to do is right click on the object. Right click on the object. First thing to do is right click on the object, then you ungroup it. Make sure you ungroup it. So once you ungroup it, you remove the number. We don't need the number again. All right, so we're done removing the number, so let's adjust our objects to something bigger. All right, so the next thing to do is you come to insert, then you click on shape. Then you draw your shape. You draw a rectangle shape. Like this. All right, so the next thing to do is you select your image, you select this object, then you ungroup it. If you ungroup it, then you select everything. After ungrouping it, you select everything. After ungrouping it, you select everything, then you come to the shape format. Here, the shape format, then you click this place, then you select fragments. So you select fragments. So the next thing to do is to highlight this part. We don't need this part. To highlight this part, then remove it. All right, so now we are having something like this. What you do now is what we'll do now is we select this image, we select this object, select this, select this, select this one, select the both all the objects, then we come to this our outline. So let's give it a unique outline. Let's give it black outline, then increase. Let me increase the outline size. So let me give it this. All right, so the next thing to do now is to give it a unique color. Give it colors. So let's give it colors. So I'll be giving this one ash. All right, so now we are done putting the colors. The next thing to do is you highlight everything. highlight everything, then click on shape formats, then you select shape effects. So our shape effects now, we'll be giving it glow, we glow it, then 3D, we'll be giving it glow. Then we come to this bevel, click on this bevel, then we select this one. Come on. All right, so we select this, we select this. All right, so we'll be coming here, then we select this one. So if you're done with that, so the next thing to do now is to insert your text box. Insert your text box. All right, so we're having this color. So the next thing to do now is come to your insert, then select a shape, then you draw, then you select your shape, then you draw out a rectangle shape like this. So our rectangle shape will be giving it black. After that, then we send it backward. You right click on the object, then you send it backward. So we are sending it backward right now. So we have sent it backward. So so this is what we are having right now. So the next thing to do is you come on insert, then your shape, then you draw a text box. You draw a text box. So this text box will be 01. So let's give this text box the color here. So we'll be giving it right. So we are done with our we are done inserting our text on the text box. Then the next thing to do is I just make some adjustment, all right. So now this is our PowerPoint slide. So we are done inserting the text to the text box and inserting the text we need on each section. So the next thing to do now is for us to highlight everything. Once everything is highlighted, then you click on animation, then you click on fly in. All right, so we are done with everything now. So the next thing, let's preview what's let's show our slide. Let's preview what we just did now. So previewing it now will be, yeah. So this is how to do it. All right, so this is our infographic PowerPoint slide. All right, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. All right, so I have a free package down the description bottle. So in case you need this same slide, don't forget to get the document below the description box, the description box there. So I kept the link whereby you can download this same slide on the description bottle below. All right, thank you very much. Bye.